Today I'm going to show you how to highlight text in Framer quickly and cleanly without any confusing workarounds. If you've ever wanted to emphasize just one word, a phrase, or a small section of text inside your design, this is a super useful trick to know. It's simple, it looks professional, and it can instantly make your layout feel more polished. Before we jump in, if this video helps you out, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more Framer tutorials, website design tips, and no fluff step-by-step guides. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your Framer project and go to the page where your text is located. Make sure you're working with a text layer because this method only works when the content is editable text inside Framer. If you don't already have text on the page, add a text layer first and type the content you want to style. Now select the text layer. Once it's selected, double-click directly on the text to highlight only the specific part you want to change. This is important because if you just click once, you'll select the entire text block. Double-clicking lets you choose a word, a phrase, or even a few characters inside the text layer. After you've selected the exact text you want to highlight, look over to the right side panel. In the text settings area, find the text section. Next to it, you should see a plus icon. Click that plus icon to add a new text style option to the selected portion. This is where Framer gives you more control over individual text formatting. Once you click the plus icon, choose Fill. This tells Framer that you want to apply a color fill to the selected text. As soon as you choose Fill, the text you selected will be highlighted. It's a very fast way to create emphasis without needing to make the whole line bold or change the entire paragraph. From here, you can customize the highlight color using the right side panel. If you want a soft background style highlight, you can choose a lighter color. If you want something more dramatic, pick a brighter or darker fill color depending on your design. You can match your brand colors, use a subtle accent shade, or create a contrast that helps the important text stand out. If the highlight doesn't look exactly right, don't worry. You can always go back, reselect the text, and adjust the fill color until it fits your design perfectly. That's the beauty of doing it this way in Framer. It stays flexible and easy to edit later. A quick tip, use highlighting sparingly. When everything is highlighted, nothing really stands out. So try to reserve it for the most important words, calls to action, key benefits, or short phrases that you want visitors to notice immediately. That way, your page stays clean and focused while still drawing attention where it matters most. And that's it. You've now learned how to highlight text in Framer using the built-in text tools. It only takes a few clicks, but it can make a big difference in how your content looks and feels. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Framer tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.